Oh yeah. A little bit of snow. Now it looks like it should just be a couple down and backs, you know? Someone showed up to help.
I'm gonna see what I can do. I have to do the hard stuff though. You get to sit on the tractor.
That's right. I think you broke it. What do you have to say for yourself?
I think you need to figure out a little better of a situation to get that bad boy secure.
Here's Alex's tractor. He just hasn't been around to use it. We might have to get the leaf blower out here. Get her all cleaned up. Where are their stairs again?
I have no clue.
The curve? You ever use one of these?
No. That looks like you're going to be asking me to rub your back later.
Yep.
Are there stairs here? I can't remember.
What?
I can't remember. Do they have stairs here?
I think so. Can't believe you dropped my camera.
Same. I can't believe it.
Found a stair?
I think so. Oh, found something.
Did you hear that?
No. What?
Forgot about that little guy.
Oops. I'm freaking sweating.
Hey, usually you shovel from the top down.
Don't shovel on the stairs I just cleared. Yep, lift it.
Well, it's gonna fall off.
God.
I found grass. We're good.
Found it. New boo goofing.
All right. That's enough.
I wish I would have fallen.
I wish you weren't in the way.
What?
Huh?
What'd you say?
That's it. You think you're ready?
Yeah.
All right.
I don't even
You know how to
turn
pick
this
the
on.
back end up and down.
This?
You know how to, I'm telling you.
I don't remember. This is the front.
Front.
The bucket.
Okay.
This is the back.
Yep. You know how to pick the back up and down? Put it down. That would be up. The lower numbers are
Lower
gonna
to the
be
ground.
Down.
Can I move the seat forward?
This is how you engage your rear PTO, which starts the snowblower.
Okay.
Got it?
Yep.
If you have it here and you pick it up, it's gonna smash all this.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Why don't you just today keep it on the ground? You can
Got it.
drag it forward, drag it backwards. Boys, let's go in the house.
Bye, boys.
Not today, boys. Not today. Which way do you want the chute facing?
That way.
Why?
Because it's going to hit the garage if it's this way.
You think you're gonna drive forward right now?
Yeah.
You're gonna drive forward?
I
You think
guess not.
How does the snowblower work?
Backwards.
Yeah. Okay, turn your throttle up.
What?
Throttle.
The gas?
Okay, you see the rabbit?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Slowly, hey!
Whoa.
Slowly. All the way. Slowly. Golly.
You gotta grease this.
Hey, Keegan. Keegan. Turn the throttle down. You see where all the snow's already gone?
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna do a different spot.
All right, I'm gonna pull forward then.
Sure.
I'm going all the way up here.
That's good. That's good. Please, God. That's good. Oh, okay. All right.
Oh my God. That's not fun. I guess I could blow it right behind me. Because then I'm just kicking it back up.
Yeah, we're gonna put you in low.
Nah, keep her in high. This is better than shoveling for sure.
Now we've got a stone driveway, so I've got that at the highest setting possible so it doesn't scrape up and throw any stones. Just turn the wheel
Yeah, but should I lift?
the other way and back up. Hey, when you're backing up, you watch the bucket so I don't need a new mailbox. You're doing great, sweetie.
Can we go a little faster? Let's see a goddamn thing.
Your hair, your gloves, your sleeves, never near this. It'll
Okay.
suck your arm right in.
This way?
Why don't you just go straight back into the backyard?
That's good.
So, probably like a little this way, right? There you go. That's good. Where I left it. I'll get it. Jeez.
What?
Yeah, okay. Dangerous. This woman is dangerous.
Oh my God, I hate this. I'm going blind. I'm not looking.
Hey, yeah, you're never just gonna back up looking forward though.
Yeah, I'm going in blind.
Just looking forward and just driving backwards with a snowblower running is probably not. Let's probably not do that, okay?
I'm just closing my eyes. I'm closing them. I can't see anyway.
How are you feeling right now?
I feel okay.
Yeah? You got a little mascara. So it's not as easy as it looks?
It's easy.
Okay.
You just can't see.
You're probably going to want to plan on where the snow is going to go a little bit better, okay?
Okay.
All right. Yep. You are going nowhere near that barn. I think you did good.
The driveway looks better than it has all week.
I think there's some room for improvement. Yeah, I think in an emergency you would be able to
I could do it.
Get a path for your car, but bravo.
Thank you.
Bravo.
High five.
All right, guys, I'm going to finish up on the tractor. We don't have all day here. We're trying to get out while there's daylight on the snowmobile trails. Thank you guys for watching this. Keegs, very good. Let us know how you think she did. I say A+, A-.
I told you I'd be able to. It's not rocket science.